So here there were several boards for knowing which one is fitting to what piece. We remember that there was here this groove for placing the board for the little side chair for the feet. Here there was the scratch for placing the top. And I'm putting the top. Again, where the sides where all these holes are inside. On the outside you have only this one. Okay. Now we're putting the screws. By the way, this here is the yogurt jar from a local chèvrerie, and we are giving the jars back for the recycling. Here for the screws I didn't pay attention, but they're essentially big screws, and there are 4 small ones, so I'm guessing this is for the lower part. If it's not the case, it doesn't matter. We'll change. So we need 4 screws and also 4 of these metal pieces. A 90 degree. Has to go inside easily, don't push too much on it. And I'm fixing them directly with my drill. So for undoing them, we just have to take the Allen keys. These are in the set of tools of the basic toolbox. You can do this, of course, also manually. For the feet chair. Now I just have to put the cushion. Et voilà. Now we're starting by fixing together these 2 components. For this particular junction there were these little screws, and for the order the copper one goes on the back and the little screw is on the front. It needs to react. So one side I'm holding here and the rest is screwed. If you don't have any drill, you take the Allen keys. So here I have a hint because this dowel didn't go out, so it's the only one where it's the case. So this one goes here. And be smart, in case you have holes, it always goes on the non-visible part. So either here the inside or here the bottom. And we know this is the bottom because there's this piece. So here it could happen, it's the little screws. Let's see. So the short ones are for this part here. So it's directly in the chair. Here I'm putting into the dowels. So here I forgot there were these caoutchouc pieces which were here on the top. In case you have still things remaining, it's not a good sign. Final closing of the screws. Okay. Here it's the luxury version. This is leather. Putting all the screw pieces. That's it, my friends. Now you know everything about dismantling and remounting back this type of IKEA fauteuil. It's very comfortable, so it's now the perfect moment for either watching my videos on your mobile phone or for reading books, which is much more important. Having said that, I hope to see you very soon on Happy Hour TV 1.